So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Mobile Tech here. So today I'm gonna show you the Makeroid has transferred to the Kodular and it has brought in many new components, chat view, Lottie and many more, cryptography also. So more interesting is this Lottie component. So I'm gonna review this. So you have to get the JSON file for Lottie, you have to go to that site lottiefiles.com, and so you have to upload the JSON file. So while uploading there are some errors. So after uploading that JSON file is not working well or is error in the Makeroid. So using that download button, download that JSON file and upload it. So I have already uploaded it. While uploading and select the source, and but I am getting error on this. So I have used many times, I have tried many times, but after when the companion scans, when the companion loads, it crashes automatically. So it could be stopped by the Makeroid, Kodular, by the Kodular within the some days or some weeks. So it is already crashed. You can see that. I can show you. Again I am scanning. So Makeroid community, as in the Makeroid community, it has said that they will fix this also problem soon. So for this alternative, so use alternative. For alternative, I will show you the another way. So when instruction initialize, set the Lottie source to the drag and drop set Lottie source. So set the Lottie source to the JSON file URL. Okay, click on the animation which you want to put, and after selecting, okay, I will connect to the companion first, and after clicking you can see this link to JSON file. Click on that and copy this URL and copy and paste here. So drag and drop one text component and set the source to that URL. So after setting, I will drag and drop to bottom for play and pause, to play and pause Lottie animation. Okay, I'm dragging and drop one horizontal arrangement. I'm dragging another bottom also. So I will set the bottom one as the pause and bottom two as the play. So after setting on this, you can see here now. So this animation is animating now. You have to set the source file. Okay, don't upload the JSON file now. This will be fixed soon by the Makeroid developers. You can see this. So let's set some functions. You can loop animation also, you can on loop also, and you can set the animation speed also. So here you can see, so it is moving more fast than the previous one. By default I am putting it as 1. So another problem here guys, do not use the height and width fill parent. There will be error in the companion as well as in the app also. So sometimes it does not show like this, and when you will be export APK, that APK will be crashed automatically. So don't put it as fill parent. So here you can see I am getting runtime error. So I am putting it as automatic. This also will be fixed by the Makeroid developer within some days. They have said that. So do not worry guys. For now, do not put the fill parent height, and you cannot set the percentages also. So this is some errors for this. So you have to use alternative views for now. So when bottom one click or when the bottom pause click, it will pause the animation. So when the bottom two click, it will resume the animation. I will drag and drop those. Then you have to go and Lottie, and you can select the resume animation block. So let's check. When pause clicked, it animation stops and play resume the animation. So here you can see. So let's see something also. So here you can see there are different blocks you can end with. Call the end frame, get current frame, get frame count, is animating or not. You can get the start frame, from which frame you want to start, is animating or not. You can check if it's by blocks. You can see there what should be done with the animation repeat, animation start, when Lottie click, when long click, and animation end. So this could be seen in the thunkable X, and Kodular has also implemented on it. So this is the update that I have not expected by Makeroid or Kodular. So okay, I will show you one. When Lottie click, I will label text to Lottie get frame count. So in this way you can see or you can show the frame counts also. So when you can click the Lottie animating files animation, and so to get the frame, like it has shown there, to get the frame, and yeah, to customize also, you can see this app. You can know the frame position, or you can get the what are the frames of these animations, up to where, up to how much you can get from there. So you can upload the JSON file also from the URL also you can get, and you can get the frame positions. So here you can see I have already downloaded this app, and here you can see the app review. So I'm going to show the what are the frame, and how to select the frames, and how to create the frames. So here you can see I will select one animation, and here you can see it is playing. So in the bottom you can see the different settings. So here you can scale also, but I'm going to show that you can see the render graph also, warnings and borders, backgrounds, scale, you can speed also. So you can see keypads, and here you can see the frame rate, up to how much you have to play, or up to how much frame rate you have to play, and in which frame rate you can pause, you can get from this, and you can select there, and you can select there, or I mean you can put the this frame rates on the start animation frame rate, or any you want. So this much for today, guys. I think you like the video about this Lottie animation, about brief tutorial on this. So if you like this video, smash like button, and if you are new to my channel, subscribe my channel, and if your friends don't know about this, share this video to the friends. So thanks guys, this much for today. Keep loving.